We have the mind behind this initiative, Sri Sagar Veeraji. Sir, thank you so much for this beautiful display. First, I'll show all of you. Look at this. And thousands of garden visitors are going through this message of sustainability tips. Sir, what brings you with this idea?
This was an initiative which came up in the mind during the lockdown, where we saw that how critical it is for us to live the sustainable living. And that is where we started this initiative, where we share one tip every day with everyone on the sustainable living. And as a part of that, we have put few tips here in the Pepsi garden at Gorai. We are hoping that people will read and they would really start implementing those in their life. Idea is to make the earth a better place to live.
Thank you.